Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today's video, by request, is my updated skincare routine. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you do like what you see. There's also a join button right down there you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. I have received a couple of comments asking me to do an updated skincare routine. I am 44. I do have dry, dehydrated, textured skin, definitely fine lines, wrinkles, signs of aging. I do also have some hyperpigmentation issues. I have rosacea. We have a lot going on, you guys, but I do try my best to take really good care of my skin. I also say that starts from the inside. I drink a ton of water, and I also attribute my decent-ish skin to SPF and sunscreen protection. Anyways, we're gonna dive in. I always, when I get out of the shower, will grab a toner. I'm just gonna grab the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Toner. I have these little cotton pads. You can use a little reusable pad if you'd like to do that, whatever is your preference. This, especially if I've worn makeup for the day, this is just another little way to make sure that all of my makeup is off of my skin and everything is completely clean. It takes 2 seconds. Then I like to go in with like a resurfacing type of pad. I really like the Fab Beauty. These are the Somme Institute ones I got in like a BOXYCHARM or something. And I'm literally just gonna grab one out and do the exact same thing that I did with my toner pad. And you guys will see that I go all the way down. I like to say to go from hairline to bra line when we're doing our skincare. And as you can see, both those steps took 0 time. Then I go in with some eye gels. These are the Drmtlgy ones. These were gifted to me from Drmtlgy. I actually like to use my gels all over my face. So I'm going to place these on. I will show you how I like to place them. I obviously put them on the under eye. These are a nice thinner gel pad. They're a beautiful little color. They do hydrate and plump. They're nice and cooling. But I also like to do what I call my starfish. And I will show you what that looks like. And this is my starfish. I like to utilize my eye gel patches all over my complexion. They help with the 11 lines. It kind of helps to smooth and plump that area. That's also very hydrating. And of course through my smile lines. I will keep these on for about 10 minutes or so. And I'll be right back. Alright, so now you can see I'm starting to look nice and glowy, nice and plump, nice and hydrated. Now, these 2 products, for me, through the past couple of weeks, have been game changers. They're phenomenal, and I've used them every single day. I love them. This is the Henrickson Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream and the non-gender specific Phytonutrient Concentrate. I got both of these in my Icon box, and I've really been loving them. As you can see, I go in with my ring finger. Remember, your ring finger puts the least amount of pressure onto our very delicate and tender eye skin. I'm gonna place this, and I like to let it sit there for just a second. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip care product right now. It is the Fenty Skin Plush Puddin Intensive Recovery Lip Mask. I do like the component of this, and I do like the delivery system as well. You twist it up just a little bit. I'm gonna grab a tiny little bit. And this smells divine. It smells like baked goods. It is a more thick, kind of weighty type of consistency. Almost kind of more Vaseline-y. It's very thick. So this I would not use during the day. I typically, you guys know this, I'll use my JOUER lip enhancer, or I will use my Too Faced lip injection. But this for nighttime, phenomenal. My lips feel hydrated all night long. I wake up in the morning and my lips are nice and hydrated, and it has some grip, so it stays in place. Now that this is sat for just a second, again, I'm using my ring finger. I am going to lift up. I'm going to go onto the lid and also lift in an upward, outward sweeping motion. And this I definitely feel like has taken the darkness in my eyes down some. It's plumping, it's brightening. I'm really loving this. And then I go in with the serum. I literally just take a couple of drops and then massage it between my hands. It says to do this to kind of work all the ingredients together, I'm assuming. So you can see that it is well coated, and then you're going to press this into place. And remember, hairline to brow line. This has a very light fragrance to it. It's almost, to me, it smells like it has some citrus in it. That may not be what I'm smelling, but it's almost like herbal meets like a soft citrusy scent. It has a medium density or medium weight to it, meaning it's not super, super thick and viscous and very heavy, but it's not so liquidy and kind of like a water oil, if you will. It's that perfect like balance that I can use it during the summer, and I have been every single day, but I think it's also going to be really beautiful during the winter time. And then that is it for the skincare. And the last thing I do this with my skincare routine. I also do this prior to filming, is I will go in with my Lumify Whitening Eye Drops. And that is it, you guys. That is my routine. And of course, if I wasn't sitting here running my mouth, it's a very, very short process. I come in here and sit in my beauty room. I do my quick little skincare routine. I put on some perfume, and then I go to bed. Thank you guys so much for requesting this routine. What is your skincare routine like? What are some of your favorite skincare products? I'd like to know. Let's have that conversation down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.